These chocolate sugar cookies are moist and fudgy. To take them over the top, I put some chocolate icing on it and a little bit of sprinkles, and don't they look so cute? Let me show you how to make them. So the first thing you want to do is cream together the butter and the brown sugar. Now, if you have a mixer, please use the mixer because this took me a really long time to cream. And so you'll get a good arm workout, but make sure it's really creamy, and then you'll add in your 1 egg. Make sure you mix that in thoroughly, and then you'll add in your vanilla. And of course, add as much vanilla as you want. And then once that's mixed in, then you go ahead and add in your dry ingredients. So I had mixed these dry ingredients beforehand, and then I just put them in the sifter and then sifted them over the wet ingredients. And that's it. Then you just fold the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients slowly. I used a spoon for this instead of the whisk. And then once that's done, then you want to refrigerate the dough a little bit and then roll it out into however many balls you want to roll them out into. And I got about 7 out of them. And these make really big cookies, so you can make them smaller if you want. And then just bake them, and this is how they look once they're baked. And then you can go ahead and make the chocolate icing, which is just powdered sugar and cocoa powder and a little bit of hot water. And then just spread those over the fully cooled cookies, and then add in your sprinkles. I'm sure your family will love these cookies. They're so fun, and they're sweet and chocolatey, and I just can't say enough good things about them.